everyone. Hey. That's my hair. We're getting ready to braid it and has shea butter in it. Shea butter and conditioner. So this is my hair at the moment. Is this long. I haven't been treating my hair, but it's still holding up. So today is crochet. Let's get on with it.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, running to better times. Go, from my emotions I'll go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting.
Guys, this is the hair all done. I wanted it to be a bit longer. The hair comes 20 inches, but I wanted it to be a bit longer. So I don't know if you saw it. You saw that my Auntie Vera was just trying to layer it when she was doing the crochet, and so I have it down to my waist. Let me turn it around for you to see. And we have 3 packs in, and I'm loving how it is. The difficulty we found with this hair was that it was a bit slippery and very silky, and so she had to take her time to do the invisible braids. But she said to put some mousse in it. I will try that in about 3 days and see how it goes. But so far so good. I'm liking this hair. I'm going to leave a link in the description box in case you want to buy it, want to try the style. I was inspired by a YouTuber, so I'm going to tag her in the video, because I just saw her do the hair and I was really impressed by it, so I want to do the same thing. And I'm liking the hair. I love it.
Now that this is all crocheted in, I'm just trying to tease the edges, my edges, so that it blends in with the hair itself. The lady used a special comb. I didn't have that, so I'm using this trimming comb to do it. It was okay. Next time I think I'll just buy one of those combs. I'll get one off of Amazon and tease it properly. But then after teasing it, she went in with the scissors and cut it as well. It made it look so natural. I like how mine is looking at the moment. I would just trim it a little bit and go in with this mousse just to get rid of all the fizz, and yeah, tame it a little bit because it was so big at the end of it.
Looking, and I'll just leave it to dry. A little bit of surgery here. Surgery. Just to give this definition, so it's a bang.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. I look to the left